Hi everyone. We are going to see today how to perform some actions upon the first installation. I say first installation because the actions we are going to create will be fired when there is no session data. So normally that will happen if we don't change any code. That will happen on the first installation. We can make it happen on every installation, on each installation. For doing that, the only thing we have to do is to ensure that when the app is uninstalled, we delete the session information in our database, that it is recorded on the session table, okay, on the remix template. So let's go to the point. We have the here into the app folder, the Shopify server TS file where we will have to add our code to perform the actions we want. We will add the hooks property to the Shopify app object, and here into the hook we will use the hook after auth. As you can see, we can use these constants. They are very useful for whatever we want to do in the actions, okay, or upon installation. We will use them both for just for seeing how they work and that they work. Here in the comment, as you can see, what we are going to do is create settings for the shop in our welcome message. We have already created a table called settings where we can store the Shopify shop ID, set this to true or to false, and add a welcome message. Very simple. Okay, so first thing, we are going to check if there's a session and an admin available. The session we will use it. The admin is only for these video purposes. And we are going to create a record on the settings with the ID of the shop from Shopify that we'll get from the session. Set is installed to true and the welcome message, welcome to the app. Okay. So we're going to load the preview in our store. Let's see, development the store. Okay, install app. And you will see when I click install on the terminal how it is run, the after auth hook. You can see here running after auth hook. Okay, we're gonna we're gonna check that everything is right. In our Prisma Studio, let's see, we have the session available, of course, and let's see if we have the settings. Okay, we have the settings. As you can see here, this is what we were looking for. Now, if you are developing, you don't want to uninstall, set delete the information from the session, this information, and whatever to you don't have time or you don't want to do right now the webhook for an installation, so we can delete directly this the session line for the shop. We're going to remove this as well to see how it works, and next time we reload this, we're going to reload, you will see how the after auth is run again, running after auth hook, and we will have the information here, setting and the session. So any questions or comments, you can write whatever you want, and I'm happy to help. Thank you. Bye bye.